This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 397 THS is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately see your kitchen with a sink on an island countertop, as well as a 4-burner gas cooktop with an oven and a range hood, a microwave, and a fridge. Across from this, you'll find your dinette and love seat with a great viewing angle of your entertainment center. Moving into the back, make note of the loft bed above the entrance to the garage. In the garage, you have a loft bed and 2 bench seats which can fold into a second bunk. You also have a flat screen TV and a second bathroom with a shower. Returning to the front, you'll find your master bedroom with a queen-size bed. Adjacent to this is your master bathroom. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.